Hello, my name is Sandeliana and I'm a ninth grade former from the Horizon Lyceum in Chisinau. In this video, I'll explain how an ignition coil works and how we can make it by ourselves. So, let's get started. First of all, I'd like to explain quickly what an ignition coil is and how does it work. An ignition coil is a high voltage transformer made up of two coils of wire, primary winding and secondary winding. There are several ways of producing electricity from that device, but in our case, the ignition coil will work by the Faraday's law, which means that the current will be induced by the electromagnetic induction. In other words, if we take the magnet and move it near the coil, it produces electricity. But how to prove it? For this, you can use a light-emitting diode. Diodes do not consume much electricity, so the demonstration should work. In this picture, you can see an electronic scheme of a diode. If a positive voltage is applied to that input and the negative voltage to the other, then it will glow. If you do the opposite, it won't. The second scheme is more interesting. If the voltage is positive on the left and negative on the right, then the upper diode is on and the bottom is off. If on the contrary, then the bottom one is on and the up one is off. We took two diodes glowing in different colors, connected them to a transformer, and let's see what happens. Now let's change the poles. Now we turn the magnets round. But my 6-year-old sister will not be able to do that, so let's make a simpler device. Moving on to the construction of our generator. There are some things we will need. The base, made up of a hard material which doesn't conduct electricity. A flexible, thin metal, such as this ruler, two strong magnets, scotch or tape, and of course, the ignition coil. For the first step, we'll need a ruler, two magnets, and the scotch. Take one of the magnets and place the ruler on it as is shown in the picture. Now take the second magnet and place it with a different pole facing the ruler so the magnets will attract. After we've done that, we must attach the resulting construction with scotch or tape. The second step is building the bases. We must take into consideration that our magnets will oscillate freely without touching the bottom base, so we build such a wooden thing. Now we need to make sure that our coil will stand stably. For this, we measure it and fasten the screws in such a way that our ignition coil does not move anywhere. The step is fixing everything with scotch, as shown in the picture. And our ignition coil generator is done.